In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Facebook avatar. If you find this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. Whether you're looking to tweak your existing avatar or create a brand new one, I've got you covered. Start by opening the Facebook app. Then, tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon in the upper right corner. After that, tap your profile picture. Here, you have three choices: add to your story, edit your profile, and the More icon. Select Edit your profile, and you'll see the Avatar section. Tap Edit next to Avatar. Now, you can make your avatar look the way you want. In the Appearance section, you'll find different options. When you tap the Story tab, you can pick new outfits for your avatar. Once you're done customizing your avatar, save your changes by tapping the button in the upper right corner. That's how you edit your Facebook avatar. Editing your Facebook avatar is a breeze once you know the ropes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now sporting an avatar that truly represents you. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, leave the comment below. And if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. See you soon.